In this video you will learn how to program Verizon Fios remote to your TV. Turn on your TV, make sure your TV is powered on by starting and setting up process. Press and hold the TV button. On your Fios remote, press and hold the TV button until the LED light blinks, then stays on. Press the power button. While holding the TV button, press the power button once. The LED light should blink and remain on. Enter your TV code. Using the number pad, enter the 3-digit or 4-digit code for your TV brand, found in the remote manual or on the Verizon website. Test the remote. Point the remote at your TV, then press the power or volume. If the TV responds, the pairing has been successful between your Verizon remote and your TV. Test the remote. Then save the code. Press OK to lock in the code. The LED will blink twice to confirm. Now you know how to program your Verizon remote to your TV. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.